Let's carry on adding some more decals to our road. So again, go to Library, Objects, Decals, and then zoom down to Box Junction. So click and drag that into your junction. So let's just leave it over there. Again, you have the opportunity to change the size. So you could make it bigger or smaller. And if we hit more, you can change the length and the width. So the size, you can just kind of scale it up or down, or you can change the length and the width to what you want. So I'm going to move this so that it overlaps with our crossing and zoom in and see what happens there. Okay. Now have a look at this. This is where the sort order I was talking about comes in. So if we grab the box junction and we change the sort order, so we change it from 0 to 1. Notice how it is now painted, for want of a better word, on top of our zebra crossing. So this is a way in which, if you needed to, you could stack different decals on top of each other, and you would be able to make sure that they have a sort order that looks the way you want it to. So that's the sort order there. If it is 0 and our 4-lane crossing, you can see over here, that's 0, then whatever is at the top of the hierarchy will be drawn on top, for want of a better word. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom back out again, and I'm going to move my box junction. I think I'll make it a little wider as well. I think I might make it, there you go. So there is our box junction. I'm going to hit escape and come out and have a look at what we've done here. Oh, look at this. What a gorgeous intersection. Next up, we'll have a look at putting some traffic lights in and perhaps maybe even some parking spaces in our little parking lot over here. So that's what we'll do next.